You've probably never heard of these 7 hidden traffic sources, but they have quietly been pulling in a combined reach of more than 37 million visitors every month. Let's take a look. Number 1 is Spill. Number 2 is Noplace. Number 3 is Monnet. Number 4 is Lemon. Number 5 is SpaceHey. 6 is Geneva. And number 7, an older social media network that is about to relaunch. Remember to hit like and subscribe to this channel to receive more content like this. So let's go through each one in a little bit more detail. First of all, I'll show you how to use Spill, and then you will be able to use the others as they all work in much the same way. Once you've downloaded the app, it will ask you to choose your interests. So here I'm just going to choose a few of mine, such as music, motivation, and let's go with lifestyle. So now it is inviting me to join relevant groups. We've got a few to choose from. I'm going to go with the book club. I'm going to go with the Spill University. So now it's going to ask me to invite people. I'm going to skip that for the moment. It's going to ask me if I want to be notified. Again, I'm going to skip that just for the moment. And now we are inside the app. So this is where we can consume content from other creators. If we go to search, we can search for relevant topics. We can find people interested in that topic, or we can go to spills. Spills are essentially like tweets or Facebook posts, and we can create our own spills, which I'll show you how to do right now. So at the bottom, we can click the plus icon, and that will allow us to compose a spill. So we can add some text, we can add images, we can add GIFs, we can create polls, or we can label it not safe for work. Once we're happy with our spill, we can choose to share it in the groups that we have joined. Now, if you are really serious about driving traffic for free, you need evergreen traffic. That's traffic that just comes to you even when you're not actively promoting yourself. To get that kind of traffic that just comes to you 24/7 around the clock, join my free 30-minute workshop at evergreentraffic.com. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the next traffic source, which is Noplace. This is a MySpace style social media app primarily aimed at Gen Z. Users here like individuality and authenticity. This is great for personality-based content, and promotion might work best when it's placed on your own bio. Next up is Monnet. This is an early stage European creator-driven platform that combines social media, community, and digital ownership. This can be a good credibility builder for you because being seen here positions you as ahead of the curve. To drive traffic, focus on long-form, high-value posts, focus on collaborations as the content spreads across this platform more through mutual shoutouts than the algorithm. Next up is Lemon 8. This is a visual lifestyle app. Think of it as a cross between Pinterest and Instagram. The algorithm here favors keywords and helpful posts over influencer status. So create evergreen list posts that look save-worthy and add keyword-rich captions and a call to action for visitors to check out your bio. Next up is SpaceHey. Now this is a retro-looking social media site that kind of reminds me of MySpace. Now if you are in the UK, you may well need to use a VPN to access this platform. Lots of niches are represented here, but if you focus on tech, indie, or alternative topics, you should do quite well here. One way to drive traffic from SpaceHey is to build your profile page as a mini landing page and then link back to your main site. Next up is Geneva. This is a group-based community platform. Think of it as a mix between Slack, Discord, and Reddit. This is ideal for deeper community-based engagement and authority building, but it really shines at helping you to connect with people offline in your local area. Next up is the relaunch of an older platform called Dig. Now, Dig is currently in invite only mode, so you will want to sign up to the waitlist right now because it is planning to relaunch itself as an AI curated news and social aggregator. So for you, it will be perfect for driving referral traffic via curated story-based posts. And remember to join my free traffic workshop at evergreentraffic.com. See you soon.